I will be reviewing a 8-foot raised bed. So out of the box, you have all the wing nuts and screws, a Phillips screwdriver, the setup directions, a free pair of gloves, and the curved pieces and the straight pieces. So we're going to go ahead and put this together and show you the completed product momentarily. So I have the curved parts connected together. I have the side panels connected, and I just have to go back in and finish connecting them on both sides. But overall, the build is not that difficult. It's pretty simple, actually. So we're going to go ahead and time lapse the finish, the finish, so that you can see what the complete product looks like. And here we are, completely put together. The dimensions are 8 feet by 4 feet by 17 inches. So I can basically bend over and reach and do everything that I need to do in the bed. I like the fact too that it has the company's logo on the front of it. It's very lightweight. Some of the specs on it are it's made out of galvanized steel. It's guaranteed to last at least 20 years. It doesn't leach or anything into your soil. So overall, although I haven't grown anything in it yet, I'm happy. I got a raised bed that I needed, and I believe I'm going to love it. So overall, it took 30 to 45 minutes to assemble. Not very hard to assemble at all. It's eco-friendly. Like I said, it doesn't leach anything into the ground or into your soil. You can grow food grade stuff in here. The metal is not sharp. It has crimped edges, smooth, and it's even. There's no plastic curling or anything like that. And what I also liked about it is that when I was putting it together, I didn't have to take any plastic film off the front or the back of the panels. And really, there's no maintenance needed. It's durable, and it's supposed to last 7 times longer than wood. If you're interested in the bed itself, they come in different heights and different colors as well. I'll leave a link for the company in the description portion of the video. They also have a Facebook website. I'm sorry, a Facebook page, and you can go there as well. Initially, I had never heard of the company, but I did some research on it, and it seems to be pretty reputable. So I'm going to take a leap of faith and use their product. So until next time, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family.